Welcome to Feastloom, a place where food is more than just a recipe. It's a memory, a connection, a story waiting to be told. Here, every dish is a journey. From grandma's handwritten notes to bold new flavors. We honor the past while daring into the future. We believe food can heal. It can bring families back together. One bite, one smell, one shared moment at a time. In this channel, you'll find more than recipes. You'll find practical tips, emotional stories, and powerful flavors. It's food for the soul, and for every day, from fast and healthy weekday meals to soulful Sunday family lunches. From kitchen fails to unforgettable wins, Feastloom is a space to reconnect with food, with people, with yourself. Because cooking isn't just about ingredients. It's about intention, emotion, and love. So, take a deep breath. Smell the spices. Hear the sizzle. And remember, you don't need to be a chef to cook with heart. Your journey starts here. And we're honored to share the table with you. Subscribe now. Let's cook up something unforgettable together. Feastloom. Because food changes everything.